late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup. Beautiful Sunday mga lalabs! At syempre panatito ako ngayon sa sasakyan ng papa ng aking mga anak. Nandito ako sa passenger seat kasi siya yung nagdadrive at alam niyo naman kung bakit. At syempre para sa aming mga anak, kami ay magsisipa at magsasama-sama na magpapamilya. So halika kayo guys, samahan nyo kami sa pagbibiyahe at pupunta kami sa bahay ng aming anak. So guys, see you later, alligator! Blah blah blah. Do I look alright? And I say yes, you. At syempre pa naman dyan mga loves, nesting ko, sinubukan kong kumanta, mag-video at mag-record ng kanta nitong Wonderful Tonight. So ako yung nagsising-sing nito. At saka sana magustuhan ninyo kahit talagang hindi naman talaga totoong singer si Mami. I sing this song, blah blah blah. Beautiful lady that's walking around with me. Magpapasensya na po kayo mga loves kasi naman ito aking kasama. Ayan yung nagmamaneho, nakikinig naman ng ibang istasyon ng radyo. Hay naku, hindi ko naman masaway. Heto na, binabaybay na namin ang papunta sa aking mga anak. Malapit na kami guys, magkikita-kita na rin po kami. I feel wonderful. I've got an aching hand, so I give her the car keys.
Ay, sorry Lord. Bakit alam ko ba?
I'm gonna tell her as I turn out the light, I say my darling. Hi guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Punta Enganyo, Mactan, Oasis pa. Ayan, kakain kami dito ng mga anak ko pagkatapos namin galing ng church. Brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asked me. Yan, ang ganda ng view mga loves, diba? Kita ninyo. And I say you're wonderful tonight. Dito mayroong parkingan doon sa ibaba. Ayan. We go to a party. Everyone turns to see beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes and the wonder of it all is just that you just realize how much I love you. Got me thinking. Only one. Enjoy. It's my new favorite. Those are the good. It's time to go home now. And I've got an aching hand, so I give her the car keys. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. You were wonderful tonight. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear.
Wala pa. Kasi mo nga.
Blonde hair. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Loves, gabi na kayan, alas 8 ng mahigit. Kasalukuyan, nandito kami ngayon sa airport at susunduin namin yung aking anak, yung mag-asawa, si Isan at si Tony. Uwi na sila mga loves, galing sila ng Iligan City. Ayan, so andito lang ako sa sakyan, medyo humiga ako kasi pagkagaling namin doon sa kanina, kasama ko, alam niyo naman kasama ko yung aking namang isang anak, si Lindo, at saka yung kanyang business, at saka yung panilang anak. Ayan, nag-meeting kami. Ayan. So, nagsimba kami. Tapos, nag-coffee, nag-snack. So, ayun, dito na kami sa airport. Sige, mga labs ha. Waiting tayo mamaya. Abangan natin yung pagdating na aking mga anak. Si Tony at Ethan. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks